Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. And I hope that you have solved percentage. Percent and percentage. Mostly question I have explained that chapter was 8. Now I am going to start your 9th chapter, profit, loss and discount. See that. What is the meaning of profit? Suppose you are going to purchase any articles in the shop, that will be CP. CP means cost price. Suppose you have purchased this gas stove and you have to pay to the shopkeeper 15 rupees or 20 rupees. This will be CP for you, cost price for you. If you are going to sell same gesture to another people, suppose you have purchased 8 rupees 20 and you are going to sell this gesture to your friend 2 rupees 25, that will be SP, selling price for you. Now you know that you had a gain of 25 minus 20 is equal to 5 rupees. You are gaining as a 5 rupees. That is your gain. Means you know that first condition, if SP is more than CP, see that SP is more than CP, it means you are in profit or gain. Profit or gain. Then how can you calculate the gain? Means profit is equal to SP minus CP. Then you can get 5 rupees. SP 25, CP 20, then that will be 5 rupees your gain. If anybody asks what is the profit percent, profit percent is equal to profit upon your cost price CP into 100. That is your first formula. If you know that CP given in question, this is CP means cost price of one article, and this is also selling price of one article means same gesture. If suppose that CP of 20 gesture given here, then they are asking profit percent. The first you calculate the CP of one gesture, then SP of selling price of one gesture, then you calculate gain or profit, then profit percent. So here CP of one gesture is one article, SP means selling price of one gesture means one article. So this is your formula 1. Okay, all the formula you have to write on your copy. Next point is that suppose if you purchase same gesture in 20 rupees, but you sell it in 15 rupees. 15 rupees. Your cost price 20 rupees, your selling price 15 rupees. It means that you are in loss of 5 rupees. 5 rupees. It means that second question, if SP is less than CP, then you will be in loss. In loss, second point, loss. Then loss is equal to CP minus SP. Then loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. This is your second formula. Loss. Okay? Loss, it means loss upon CP into 100, you can get your loss percent. which your loss is 5 rupees. Put the here value. You can easily calculate the loss percent on same value. I am going to calculate. See that your loss SCP minus ST, that is 20 minus 15, 5 rupees. Now loss is 5. SCP is 15, 20 into 100. 25%. 125% you are in loss. Okay? So now discount. Suppose that now again in the mall, anywhere, offer are given. Okay? Take an article A, you will get 20% discount, B 30% discount, C 50% discount. Discount is generally used for saving the tax. Mostly they are doing like that. So what suppose that if you say to the shopkeeper, sir, I am going to purchase this all three articles, A plus B plus C, all three articles I am going to purchase. Please you give the discount. They will give discount. 20 plus 30 plus 50, it means 100%. They will give you discount. Never give. 20% discount only they will give on the article A. First one 20%. If you purchase another article B, then 30%. Third article C, 50%. Okay? Not together they will give the discount. Otherwise 100% discount is free of cost you are getting. Okay? Discount always we are getting on the market price. MP. MP means market price or marked price. You are getting discount. So, in first exercise, the question only related with profit and loss. Second, loss percent and profit percent and loss percent. Third unit based on the discount. The unit wise I will explain. See, in exercise 9.1, only two formula I am going to explain. First formula A. If gain percent given, gain or profit percent given, then ST is equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into C. Remember that for ST also you have to use same formula. For CP also you have to use the same formula. Okay? Don't use any special formula for the calculation of the CP. Okay? You have to use same formula for ST also and for CP also. You if ST given, you put the value of ST here. Simplify this one. CP as a variable, you calculate the value of that variable. Formula B. If loss percent given, then ST is given, here also is given. Then ST is equal to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into C. Again for ST same formula, for CP cost price also same formula. Only I will use only two formula, either calculation for ST or CP, only two formula I will use. So you have to also use only two formula. Okay? See, exercise 9.1, question number first. It is given, and before that, you have to solve Example 1, example 2, only 5 examples are given. So you have to solve each example. Okay, see question number first. A shopkeeper purchased 100 sarees at rupees 750 each. See that CP of 100 sarees given. 100 saree, calculate. See CP of one saree rupees given 750. Therefore, CP of 100 sarees rupees 750 into 100, because each saree the cost is given, that is 75000 rupees. Now question is that he sold 30 sarees at rupees 600 each. Now ST of 30 sarees, 30 into 600 rupees each means 18,000 rupees. This is CPST selling price. He sell 30 saree at this marked price. Remaining, they are asking at what rate should he sell remaining saree so to get 10%. First we calculate remaining sarees. Remaining sarees. Yeah, 100 saree was there. 100. He sell 30. What is remaining? 70 sarees. Let the ST of 70 sarees 70x. Let one saree dx. Therefore, directly I am doing that. 70 saree 70x. Total ST selling price 18,000 plus 70x. This is total ST value. And total CP, this one. Now gain 10%. Now you calculate the gain. I am going to remove this one. Gain is equal to 10% of 75,000. 0 cancel. What is coming? 7,500. Now you use this formula. Gain is equal to ST minus CP. Gain 7,500. ST, this one 18,000 plus 70x minus CP 75,000. You simplify this one, you will get the answer. You simplify this one, you will get the answer. Can you simplify? I will simplify. I hope that you can simplify this one. This one minus, this side plus, minus 18,000. Your answer will come here of 466.67 rupees. ST of one saree will come this one. 400. This is the answer of this question. 466.67. Actually 6 is will come after round up it's 6-7 rupees. In answer sheet, mostly answer is given wrong. So you simplify. I hope that you will simplify. And try to remember the formula and try to solve the example. Then I will explain the exercise question. Thank you. Have a nice day.